Dairy-free milks. Soy. Soy contains the most protein and it is a great coffee creamer. Almonds. Low in calories, similar texture as cow's milk, great in smoothies and desserts. Almond milk can be a great substitute for dairy. Coconut. Coconut milk is thick, creamy in texture, great for baking, makes excellent whipped cream. Try it once. Quinoa. High in vitamin E, hypoallergenic and can also the best substitute for the dairy milk. Flax. You must have heard about the flax seeds. Now this is flax milk. It contains omega-4 essential fatty acids, low in calories and has a great taste. Sunflower. Sunflower milk is low in cholesterol, high in vitamin E and has a great source of folic acid.
That's all for today. So, if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.